Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. I really love and appreciate you guys so much, and please be sure to like, comment down below, share with anyone and everyone, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel. We're literally 80 subscribers away from 5,000. Unbelievable. But today's topic, we're gonna get like real and like honest, and I'm really excited to talk about this. But we have some Buffalo Wild Wings, and let's dig in. First of all, let me open up my Orange Crush. Feel so ASMR-y right now. If I'm really quiet in this video, it's because it's like really late and I had to work today, so yes, it's been crazy. I have some Parmesan and garlic boneless wings. Look at that, guys. Ooh. Some ranch here. Here you guys go. Oh yeah, let me tell you what I got. I have spicy garlic, hot barbecue, Parmesan and garlic. Have some onion rings and fries. So good. Today's topic is going to be about how I've been feeling lately. I've had so many emotions, you know, happy, overwhelmed. And I promise I'll be transparent with you guys. So I want to, and yeah, I just feel like that's something I've always been on my channel, is transparent, open, honest. Hold on. These fries are so good. Here you guys go. Should we dig into some onion rings? Have a bite, guys. Spicy garlic. But let me tell you guys what's been up. So first things first is, honestly, I've been exhausted. I've been so tired. And I'm like, I gotta get to these comments, I gotta do a video, I gotta get prepared to work, and I'm honestly just so drained. I want to touch a little bit about why I'm feeling this way. And hopefully you guys can understand, like, non-YouTube creators, YouTube creators. I think everyone can really relate or know where I'm coming from. I'm so picky with this. It's like fatty. Ooh, it's all greasy. So the big thing is like, for the past month, I've been getting thousands upon thousands of views. I think we hit over like, I want to say 60,000 views in like a month, which is probably the biggest month I've ever experienced for my channel. The biggest, the craziest, the wildest, the best. I've had so many emotions like excitement, happiness this past month because it's just been so unreal and the support has been so crazy. And throughout this time, I had this unstoppable like fire inside of me. Like, I did not want to stop. I wanted to keep pushing through. I wanted to keep on doing videos. I mean, I wasn't getting rest. I really wasn't even taking care of myself. And it like really got to a point where I'm just like, I'm so tired. Like, imagine 60,000 people getting thrown at you every direction, like on Instagram, the DMs, everywhere. Just, it's a lot. Like, I'm one person. I'm managing my YouTube account, I'm managing my Instagram, my Facebook, and to have that much traffic come in, it was the best thing I've ever experienced, because I've never felt like I've done, you know, I've never felt this. I've never felt like so like accomplished in my life. Like, I feel like I'm actually making a difference. I'm touching people. People are actually watching me. And it was the best. It's honestly like something you can never really explain until you go through it. But I'm like one individual, so like replying to comments. It said on my review, I got over like 5,000 comments on my videos. Meaning I sat there and replied to over 5,000 people on my YouTube channel in the DMs. Like, that's not even including the DMs. That's not including, you know, private messages or anything like that. So it's honestly been like insanely crazy, and I want to make sure I've been replying to each and every single one of you guys. But as of like right now, like, physically feel like I can't. Like, it's so difficult to get to comments because after doing a video and editing and recording and trying to make sure my personal health is good, it's just become like a lot, which I'm not making any excuses. I'm going to reply back to everyone, so don't worry, I'm not going to just leave you guys hanging in the comments, but I kind of want just to explain why I haven't been on the past few videos. And as you see my content, the production has been slowing down a little bit because I just got to that breaking point. I'm just like, I'm honestly tired. Like, I'm just exhausted. Just 60,000 people, you know, in like a month. All the interaction, all the comments. On top of that, like, trying to support, you know, my friends, other YouTube creators. So it's been crazy. And I'm gonna be honest, like, I see the views starting to slow down, you know. Things are starting to slow down. And it's been honestly kind of discouraging. From getting like thousands of people to now hundreds, I tend to question my own creativity and my own videos a lot. I wonder, am I doing something wrong? What's going on? And I know it's a slow month for everyone, but this year couldn't have started off any stronger. Like, it's just been an amazing year. Like, probably one of the best years ever in my life. Because I genuinely do want this. I want it so badly. I've hit all of my milestones that I could have ever dreamed of. Monetization, 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers, 3,000, 4,000. Now we're going on 5. And, 60,000 people. And, I just been working so hard. And to be honest, a viewer decline has been, just hard for me, honestly. But I honestly think that it's a sign. It's like a sign from God telling me to slow down, take a deep breath, focus on yourself a little bit, focus on your health, just relax. And I just feel like my time will come, and it's coming. Like, I do. I know this topic is so, I don't know if it's boring or whatever, but I just want to get off my chest. I want you guys to know how I've been feeling. Like, my honest, feelings. This hot barbecue is spicy. Super good. One of my favorites. With ranch. So, that's just pretty much how I've been feeling lately. And there's nothing more in the world that I want than is for YouTube to be my full-time career. And those of you who are there, unconditionally, let me say, Joni Meeks, LaTanya Porter, Kenneth Washington, Miss Undy, there's so many, Yolanda Adams. You guys just are so unbelievable. And, oh yeah, Lady Anne. I just want to give a shout out to everyone. There's so many of you guys who support me unconditionally, and it honestly makes me want to cry, because it's just you guys feel like my actual family. Like you guys don't really look at my numbers. You guys don't care about that. You just see me for me, and that just means the world to me. And I just want to say thank you guys. I'm probably missing someone, but I just want to say thank you for those who are supporting me on every single video, and they don't care what it is. They're just here for it. You guys sit there, watch it, you guys support me, and it's just I just can't thank you enough. You guys are the ones who keep me going. You do. You do. Have a bite, guys. Look. Parmesan and garlic. Oh my god. These are my all-time favorite. I just want you guys all to know that I am not going anywhere. The longest you'll see me without posting would be like 3 days, and that's not acceptable for me. Like my own personal, like that's not acceptable. I want to post every other day like I've been doing, and just steady, like not care about the numbers, don't care about it, don't think about it, because my time will come, and it is coming. Because if I could accomplish all this like now at the age of 20 years old, just starting out on YouTube, and have already such an amazing, loyal, supportive, group of individuals that are here for me, no matter what. As many of you guys know, I set a wild goal for myself, which was 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Which is something that is, it's a stretch. But that just goes to show where my mind is. I have big dreams for myself, and I have big aspirations channel for you guys. Like, I don't want to just like fall off the face of planet Earth because it just got too hard, or I still have to announce my Say Cheese winner. That was 2,500 subscribers ago. Like, it's been, that just showed, like, I'm just like really just like, it's a lot. Which I need to do it. I need to do it by this week, and I promise you guys I will, because you guys deserve it, and I want to give that prize out. So yeah, I had a lot of people who did it. I think it was like almost 50 channels or something. I don't even know the number, but it was a lot. Last time I logged in my phone, it was like 30 channels that did it. So 30 different channels from when I last looked, but I know there's been so many more. This is all so good. The onion rings are on point. The fries are on point. But the whole point of this was to just let you guys know where I stand, like how I feel, and I just feel like I owe it to you guys. Like, I do. I honestly do. Like, for me, posting every other day and then me not posting for 3 days in a row, you guys deserve an explanation. Like, I want to let you guys know that I really care about you guys. Like a ton. Something about hot barbecue is just amazing to me. Here you go, have a bite, guys. Look at this onion ring. I want sauce. I want it in this sauce. Okay, here we go. We could hit 100,000 subscribers. Maybe it will take 5 years to get there. Maybe it will take 1 year to get there. Maybe it will take 2 years. I don't know, but that is my goal, and I'm going to reach it. Whether it takes me 5 years or not, I'm going to get there. And that's just the goal I've set for myself. Like, that's it. And I want, and that's what's going to happen. And I've been praying every single day about, channel success. And not even my channel, but like even my friends that are out here, doing their thing. Like my good friend Tam's Table, she's been with me since the start. Same with Naisha May, Amber Eats. Like, those are all like my family, and I just pray to God that we can just do good as a community, this entire community. Because I know if I look at my friend who's over here killing it, it's just like, that inspires me, that motivates me, that means if they're doing it, I can do it. And I just really believe in the power of just like prayer and kindness and love and genuine feelings towards the people who actually support you. I just think it's all so important, and that's where I just don't want you guys to think that if I don't get back to your comment or anything, that I just don't care about you or anything, because I genuinely do. I see all the comments, I read them all, I like them all. It can take multiple hours, and I don't know, I just don't want this to sound like an excuse, because I'm going to get back to every single comment. It's just like, I just want you guys to know what's going on, why I haven't been. And I honestly understand where like larger YouTubers are coming from, where I talked to so many big YouTubers and they told me like they genuinely cannot get to every single comment because they don't want to sound robotic, and that can take like multiple days to get back to. They need to be producing content because they're trying to get back to every single person. You guys know, you know what I mean? You know, touching back on what I was saying, like, I've just been tired, but I set this schedule for myself that I have to follow, and you guys can expect a video from me every other day, like I've promised. But I may be uploading in the morning now, and at night some days. It really depends on my new schedule at my new job. And yeah, that's just been what's going on, and I finally had a chance to just kind of breathe and just think everything's okay. And this year has been absolutely incredible. Like, you guys are mind-blowingly amazing. So, get ready for the rest of the year. Get ready for it, because it's about to be insanely amazing. I think I'm gonna have to close this video out. Time just flew by. And I'm really, really full, actually. This is my second dinner of the night. So, if you've gotten this far throughout the video, just write a comment down below your thoughts on everything, and let me know how you feel. And then leave a, let's say, purple heart next to your comment to let me know that you got through this video. And I just love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video coming soon. I'm trying to do some bigger and better and more extraordinary things for my channel. It's just a matter of getting up and doing it. No excuses, none of that, you know, procrastination, none of it. I just want to get up and do it, because that is what's going to make this channel successful and get the ball rolling. So I hope you guys are ready for it. I love you guys to death. Peace out. Please be sure to like, comment down below, share with anyone and everyone, and let everyone know what I'm all about. Subscribe to my channel. It will only take 8 of you guys to tell 10 people to check out my channel, and we will be at 5,000. Wow, 5,000. It's a lot of people. Alright, bye my corals. I love you guys. See you soon.